finessing. I can't up bro, unlimited, we straight off finessing. Straight finessing, finessing. I can't go one day without finessing.
What's good, YouTube? This your boy Jake Diggy 90 motherfucking 2 nigga Super Saiyan pump in full effect. But yeah, I'm coming at y'all with another unboxing. We got an unboxing from shit, who's this from? We gonna find out when we open. Shit, y'all know in the joint, but I forgot shit. I forgot who this from. I be buying so damn much that I be forgetting. But yeah, we got an unboxing from somebody. Shit, we gonna find out when we open this motherfucker. But y'all understand, I talked about these before, and I just never copied. I told y'all I wanted to, but this isn't my first model. Alright, this is cool. This unboxing is sponsored by Go. I had to say that shit before. But yeah, we gotta get the thumbnail. Look, that's cringe as fuck. Shout out to Go one time. Why these bitches look huge? I can't let y'all see yet. Y'all probably already seen them. But we sponsored by Go. Nigga, we made it. Another thumbnail, nigga. Nigga, I'm corny as shit tonight, but shout out to them boys over at Go. Nigga, I forgot how much I paid, but y'all know in the full review, it was a lot off your boys' hip, like bulls. Shout out to the goats, nigga. Over at Goat, nigga. And I don't know if y'all can tell by this blank ass box what this is, but when I do this, y'all already know, man. I finally got these bitches. Oh shit. So this is first thoughts and reaction. This is the number one I wanted before the other one that I got. So if y'all watch the video, y'all know what I'm talking about. And here these. Offset. Woo, 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 woo. Records of records, got records of records, I'm running the cool. Oh my god. These bitches go hammers. Shout out to Go. Shout out for my nigga A, nigga. Damn. Bro, y'all understand, I wanted these so bad. I wanted these over the multicolored jumps that I'm dropping shoes. I dropped them for the first time in the video. Man, y'all understand how much I wanted these right here. Y'all don't understand, man. I wanted these so bad. And the only reason I ain't pulled the trigger because I thought the multicolored jumps would go better with a lot more stuff than some teal jumps. But man, the more I seen these, the more I knew I had to bring these bad boys home. So y'all don't understand. Like, it's right now, it's like 11 at night, and I just got to my girl crib. But I had to unbox these, man, because I wasn't gonna wait around till tomorrow when I'm supposed to really do it, the unboxing. I wasn't waiting around, dog. I had to see these in person tonight. Nigga. They just came in Friday, if I'm not mistaken. They came in Friday. I had something to do Friday. That's why I couldn't get to them Friday. So I was like, man, fuck it. We get these bitches today, nigga. So yeah, man. The sun glows, boy. Good, nigga. I wanted these bitches so bad, and now I got them, and I'm glad, cause these sun glows is mine, moon clouds. I don't know what that means, but I mean, I love these. And I'm not gonna keep y'all too long, cause I know this vid kind of turning stupid because I'm just like fanboying over here, but they are dead stock. Just so y'all know, these I wouldn't buy these used just cause I don't want my don't smell like feet, and them niggas be wanting dead stock prices for a used pair. So I said, fuck it, I'm gonna get the new. But yeah, this is your boy J Diggy 92. My unboxing of the Sun Glow NMDs, man. These jumps is fire. Y'all know the review is coming this Saturday. Y'all already hit to the jump, so go ahead and watch out for that. I'm getting into the sizing, fit, when I'm wearing it with, all that shit. Bars, nigga. Nigga ain't even fun size no more. We got the full Snickers in this motherfucker. But yeah, man, go ahead, smack that like button. Go hit that thumbs up, nigga. And subscribe to the damn channel so you can be a part of the motherfucking God Squad. Didn't drop it that time. Y'all already know, man. We gods in this bitch. Konnichiwa, motherfucker, and all that good shit. But yeah, follow me anything. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that. JDiggy92. If I'm not as hype, it's just because it's late and I don't be yelling. Like, y'all understand the excitement that's like I'm feeling right now. I'm just trying to maintain, keep it all quiet, cause this ain't my spot, and I ain't trying to get nobody kicked out. But yeah, these jumps is fire. I'm hyped for them on feet. So yeah, y'all just look out for that review. Shout out to the art page. These artistic ass shoes. Shout out to the art page. Finesse got masterpieces one time for one time. And go copy some dope art, cuzzy. But yeah, I'm gonna get y'all up out of here. Unboxing the Sun Glows, nigga. These are perfect. Nigga, drop the perfect sound effect, nigga.
Perfect.
Shit. These are perfect. 10 out of 10. I don't even give a fuck. 10 out of 10. And this ain't even an official review. 10 out of fucking 10. But I'm gonna get y'all up out of here. This is me, boy. J Diggy. 90 motherfucker 2. Shout out to GOAT. Unboxing. Other Sun Glow. Human race NMDs. I love y'all. Thank you for watching. Like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all. These bitches are beautiful. I just want you to know you might be my favorite shoe. That shit was crazy as fuck.
Money chain situation. Money chain situation.